welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, first off, y'all see these results? Okay. First off, I'm gonna talk to you guys about these results because sis, I just love it. So guys, I'm gonna tell you guys what products gave me such amazing curls. And honestly, it's all gonna start from wash day. So I'm gonna show you guys what products that I've been using that gives me these bomb results. If you guys want to see the rest of this video, then just keep on watching. Also, like and subscribe to my channel, which is that big red button, you know that red one, you know, the one that says subscribe. Yeah, it's somewhere down here. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have to tell you guys about this new Power Greens collection from Shea Moisture. Now, they just came out with this brand new collection here in Canada. I'm pretty sure the States already has this, but in Canada, this is a brand new collection that they've come out with, and it all is wash day products. So you're only gonna get your shampoo, your conditioner, your hair rinse, which is a whole new aspect to Shea Moisture, and you're gonna get a Reconstructor, which is their deep conditioner. So we're gonna talk about you know, what I did in the shower that gave me such amazing, very healthy looking curls. So let's get started. So the first product I use is their shampoo. Now their shampoo, this whole line in general isn't as thick as their other collections. So I think that was like the first overall general thing that I noticed about this collection. Obviously, because of the name of the collection as well, a lot of the color of the products are green. They're not like a super like dark green like a Starbucks green, but it's definitely more on the lighter side, just because again you have like green algae in it, you have kale, you have matcha, you have all of those like green based products in these ingredients in these products. So honestly, when it came to the shampoo, it kind of startled me at first just because of how light it is, but I was just like, nah, this is not really gonna cleanse my hair. For some reason, like in the back of my mind, like I was like, nah, like this is canceled from the get-go. But when I started using it, it actually lathered up really, really well. It actually is so light on my hair that it actually did a really good job with cleansing my scalp without over drying or stripping the hair, which is what I really like. Again, like, it's more of a lighter consistency, it's more liquidy, it's a little bit more on the watery side, so be careful as to how much you're gonna use and how much comes out, so that you're not wasting product. But honestly, like this lathered up so well, and I think this collection overall in general is going to be really good for your medium to light density curls, women that doesn't have a lot of density to their hair. I find that this collection is going to be really good for you, just because again everything's lighter in consistency, so you can get away with using more product, or if you just want to use a lighter hand, then this is definitely a collection that's going to be good for you. So honestly, like that shampoo, I want to say, like if I had to rate it between like 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it like an 8, just because again, like the consistency isn't going to work for everybody, and I already kind of know that, especially because it's not a very moisturizing collection. However, it's definitely something that gives you an overall cleanliness, and it definitely gives you that healthy look to your hair. So again, it's not going to work for everybody. However, when it comes to that lighter consistency, especially as we're getting towards the summer months, this is just going to be perfect for a lot of people. Now the next product is actually not their conditioner, it is their tea rinse. So their hair rinse is honestly, again, like new to Shea Moisture, is something that we haven't seen before, especially here in Canada. I've personally used rinses before, I've used it from other companies. But this one in particular, compared to the others, it actually kind of works the same. So basically, this is an extra step in between your shampoo and your conditioner, where the rinse is supposed to seal the cuticles, it's supposed to give you more shine, it's supposed to give you more definition. So it's kind of an extra step in between. You're not supposed to rinse it out. Which is again another thing that is kind of different compared to most products. But what you can do when it comes to this collection, you can actually pair it up with the conditioner and put those two together, conditioner, and that actually gives you a powerhouse result. So when it came to the rinse, again, it's kind of an extra step if you want something that's going to seal your cuticles. If you're somebody who has high porosity hair, so if your hair shaft is more split and you are more prone to split ends, you're more prone to frizz, this product in between your shampoo and your conditioner actually may be really good for you. So for me personally, when I put it on my hair, it definitely kind of gets a little hard. Not hard like it's a gel cast, however, it definitely gets harder because it goes from a liquid and then it actually like binds to the hair. So you kind of get that hard effect. However, once you tack on the conditioner, which is the next product that you're supposed to be using, because again, you're not rinsing this one out, the conditioner actually penetrates and actually gives you that extra moisture and that extra lock-in that the tea rinse or the hair rinse isn't gonna give you. So honestly, like when it comes to the conditioner, when I have to compare it to the others, it's honestly not my favorite conditioner from Shea Moisture. I find like some other conditioners are definitely more, you know, moisturizing. But trying to comb my hair and stuff while having the rinse and the conditioner in my hair actually was kind of hard. So that was the only thing that I didn't really like. It kind of took me like a while to like kind of comb through, but once I did, my hair felt amazing. But it's just to kind of comb through it a bit. It definitely takes a little bit more effort and definitely being a little bit more gentle on your hair, just because again, the rinse kind of gives you like a bit of a hard cast. But that's just something that I've personally experienced. So if I would have to, you know, rate the hair rinse, again, it's not something that everybody will find like that they absolutely need, but if you're somebody that has high porosity hair, if you have bleached your hair, colored your hair, if you straighten your hair, these kinds of rinses are definitely good as an in-between step, or if you're just prone to frizz in general, it's definitely a good in-between step. So for people who use these kinds of products, I want to say like this is a pretty good product compared to some of the other rinses that I've used. So I want to kind of put it as 8.5 to 9. Again, like the only thing that I don't really like is that rinses, especially when it comes to like company-based rinses, I find like they kind of give you that hard casting. So if that's something that you don't personally like, which is something that kind of caught me, you know, a little off guard. So that's the reason why I would give it like an 8.5 to 9 out of 10. Now their conditioner, again, like it wasn't a wow factor for me compared to some of the other products. So I would probably honestly skip that whole step when it comes to like if I had to repurchase it. I would probably purchase another conditioner from another line. So like the coconut hibiscus line, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil collection. Those conditioners are, I find, gives you more moisture than this collection in particular. But going on to your next product, which is the final product in the collection that they're offering here in Canada, is the Reconstructor. Now the Reconstructor is considered as their deep conditioner, so it's supposed to give extra definition to the hair. It's supposed to help with breakage. It's supposed to help with overall shine and health of the hair. Now this Reconstructor, again, like it's not as thick as their others. It's more liquidy, it's more of a watery base. So again, for our girls who have light density, medium density hair, girls who don't have like very coily and thick hair, this is definitely going to work out for you a lot better. But honestly, for me, when I put it on my hair, because I have a medium density, so I don't, like my hair strands itself are a lot thicker, this product actually worked really well. So when it came to like combing out my hair and actually like getting that you know, extra product into my hair, it actually worked out really, really well. Like I had so much slip, I had so much definition right after using that product. And I find that like, again, like combing through my hair was so much easier than compared to the conditioner and the tea rinse when it comes to detangling. So honestly, that product in general actually wowed me. And honestly, like my hair right now is like super defined. It's light, however, I have that definition, and overall my hair is really shiny. When I rinsed out my hair, I was actually really shocked as to how shiny my hair was, and it's not because of the water that's in it, but just compared to how my hair was before I washed it to now, it was definitely a major difference. So I want to say hands down, this is probably my favorite product out of the whole collection, and this is probably something I would repurchase just because, again, it's a lighter consistency, so I find like it's great going into the summer months, even for our medium to thick density hair girls. However, when it comes to our lighter density and medium density hair, I find like this product will probably work out better for you than most other Shea Moisture deep treatments, because of the consistency and also what it provides for you after you use the product. I find like this is definitely going to work out for a lot of people across the board. So guys, this is basically my review of the whole collection. Honestly, again, like looking at my hair, I am so happy with how my hair looks. Like it's so defined, but it also has like that extra shine, and honestly, like these products did not, you know, make my scalp itchy. Like it didn't, like, you know, again, like it actually worked on my hair, which I find for a lot of Shea Moisture products, I definitely have a good wash day with them. There's some collections that are kind of hit and miss, but definitely this collection in general, I can see it actually working for a lot of people in general, but definitely catering more to our lighter density, medium density curly hair girls is probably going to be the collection for you. But honestly, overall, like I had great results, and it's definitely something that I would repurchase. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried these products. I actually did an Instagram poll, which if you haven't followed me on Instagram, it's at heyitscandicia, which will probably be right in here. And we did a poll, and honestly, a lot of you guys have already tried it, and you guys are absolutely obsessed with it. So I would love to know what your results are in the comment section below. So hopefully we could chat there. But hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.